Welcome to the Theology Department at Villa Joseph Murray High School. My name is Mr. William Dennis. I'm the senior theology teacher here at Villa. Our theology curriculum is based on the recommendations of the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops, while also leaving enough room for each of our students to discover who they are, who they're called to be, and what it means to be alive and loved and created by God. So freshman year, we cover the whole Bible in a year. Mr. B walks us through the Old Testament into the New Testament and puts a particular amount of focus on different women of valor throughout the Bible. Sophomore year, we move into a little bit of church history and then explore the real fundamentals of what it means to be a Catholic, focusing on the catechism and the teachings of the church. Junior year, we shift into a two-part course. The first half of the year is social justice and really unpacking the ideas of Catholic social teaching and what it means to sort of be individuals who put their love into action. And then the second half of the year is Christian morality and exploring all of the different issues surrounding morality and what the church teaches us. In senior year, we put a focus on world religions. The idea being that before we set the girls out into the world, they have an appreciation through empathy of the many different people they might come into contact with and what they believe. In addition to that, we put a focus on discernment and vocations. So as they set out, they're able to spend significant time figuring out who they are and who God has called them to be. In addition to all that, each year we touch on theology of the body as well, so that progresses throughout the 4 years. The most important thing is that all of our students, regardless of their background, their personal faith, are loved, are welcomed, and embraced here at Villa, because we understand that these girls are going through a journey together and a journey alone as they figure out what it means to be loved by God and to be called for a specific purpose. So that's what we do here in theology, and we like to think that everything we do at Villa is an extension of that. The best way is to come find out for yourself. So once these stay-at-home restrictions are lifted, please join us for a basketball game, a soccer game, a play, anything, a robotics competition, and you'll get the sense that this place really is an incredible community. Thanks so much, and we hope to meet you soon.